Shamai, I'm going to take a look at this today. It's the Kala Rumbler U bass. So today's review is the U bass-RMBL-FS. In other words, the electro acoustic rumbler by Kala. Now then, this bass has got a few little different things compared to some of the others that I've looked at. For a start, it's got different strings. This is the only U bass that I have actually tried from Kala, which has the silver rumbler strings on it. I actually bought myself a set of these a few years ago. I just haven't got round to putting them on a bass yet. So yeah, it's going to be fun trying these out for the first time. And there are a few other little different things about this model, but I'll talk about those when I go through the specs. So what comes with the Kala Rumbler, apart from the different strings? It comes with an Allen key, because it's got a truss rod. It does have that little instruction booklet with it, and it's got rather a nice padded gig bag. Now this one is a slightly better one than on some models. It's got a nice velvety interior and a little bit thicker padding on it. It has got the shoulder straps, handle at the side, and quite a nice accessory pocket. So what's the price of the Kala Rumbler? Okay, it's going up a little bit in price. It's not at the top of the price range yet. £379 from the Southern Ukulele store. Bass Direct sell it for £399, and you can buy it direct from Kala. They are regular price $399, but they do sometimes have it on sale for $349. So as I said, going up a little bit in the price range. Right, I'm going to run through the specs and features quite quickly now, but I will put them all up on the screen at the very end. So, it's a nice looking ukulele bass ukulele U bass. It's got a mahogany top, sides, and a mahogany back. It's laminated. Right, straight away, another difference on this one, it's got the magnetic compartment in the back for getting to strings. You tend to find that on the higher price ones. I said a nice looking instrument. Another really nice touch, it's got a black and white binding going round it, just to sort of show off the mahogany. It's on the back and it's on the front, and a nice white and black rosette. Mahogany headstock and neck with a rosewood fingerboard. Doesn't say what the bridge is made out of, but with the fingerboard being rosewood, again, it's a nice dark colour, so I'm guessing the bridge is also rosewood. A black composite saddle with a piezo pickup going underneath it, and a black Graphtec nut with a width of about 44 millimeters or 1.75 inches. And talking of measurements, the scale is just under 21 inches and the overall length is just under 30 inches. So some of the other differences between this and the other models in terms of price and things, it's got the more expensive Fishman EQ setup on here, but it has the cheaper tuners. In other words, the black custom dyed tuners, not the hip shot ones. Okay, the strings are different on it. These silver rumblers, and I will talk a bit more about these in a minute when I play it, but yeah, the silver rumblers are different to any other model as well. I've mentioned the magnetic opening in the back, and yeah, at first glance it looks like quite a plain bass, but it's the little details, that black and white binding, the rosette as well, and of course the very famous Kala headstock. Last couple of things to mention, it's got 16 frets on it. It does come with side markers. I've had a few questions about that. And also it comes with one black strap button attached. It's easy enough if you want to put one on the heel of the neck yourself. Generally I would do that, but for now I'm using a headstock strap. So one black strap button. And of course the case that I mentioned earlier. Right, so I've run through the specs very quickly, but I'll pop them up on the screen now so you can have a little look in detail if you want to. And don't forget, you can pause it or skip forward through it. Right, we're going into my Gensler head amp and my bare-faced cab. We have sound. I'm just checking volume consistency. Piezo pickups are renowned for sometimes having uneven volume on strings. They do seem to be getting better now, but it isn't just a Kala UBASS thing, it's piezo pickups generally, but these sound pretty good. Now, this isn't the first time I'm playing these instruments when I review them. I've been playing them for a few weeks, okay? What I've noticed with the Silver Rumblers, and as I said, I've not played Silver Rumblers before, even though I've got a packet there, is they're a little bit squeaky to start off with. Okay, now generally polyurethane strings sort of settle down and things anyway, okay, but if you notice a couple of squeaks, just remember this is new. Ooh, I have got to say I am liking not just the sound of it, as I said, they're a little bit squeaky, but yeah, fingers glide quite nicely on them. So that is what the Kala Rumbler UBASS sounds like. The Rumbler, because it's got these silver rumbler strings on it. Yeah, they're a bit squeaky because they're still new, but it is making me want to go and put my silver rumblers onto one of my ukulele basses. It is going up in price a little bit, £379 from Southern Ukulele Store, $399 direct from Kala, but there are some upgraded features. But yeah, overall, a really nice bass to look at and to play. Of course, a massive thank you to Kala, or Kala UK in particular, for loaning me these. They're not sending them for me to keep, I am sending them back, but it is giving me a great chance to try all the different U-basses, the electroacoustic U-basses, and show you guys too. So thank you, Kala. And of course, a happy birthday, because it's 20 years old, Kala, this year. And in fact, last year was the 15th anniversary of the U-basses. So I do hope you're enjoying this series of reviews of the Kala U-basses. If you'd like to support me here on the channel, I have got a Patreon site and I'll pop a link in the description below. As always though, if you've got any comments or questions, please feel free, leave them below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.